all viewers of all these wonderful channels a very happy and safe Holi. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So, all the stories that we heard over here, the 8 stories, which has been your favorite and why?
See, I had read some of them. I completely got engrossed when I actually started hearing the stories. I think that was the best part of the morning. One story which caught my attention immediately was the story where oil is discovered at the Indo-China border and how it changes the economy of that place and what happens. So that's something I would really like to explore.
So there is scope that is there any particular project that you would like to take it to your friends and maybe back it some project?
See, every filmmaker gets very fascinated with stories. The moment you give them any story, you make them sit at any place and give them stories, I think all of us will be very fascinated. So yes, one would like to read the scripts.
And tell us about your association with Sundance Institute.
See, I've been a very strong believer that scripts, stories are the foundation of every film. And somehow that's been a little neglected over the years in India that I think we still have not cultivated talent enough. We've not given scriptwriters their due, the opportunities to actually be able to come up with stories which can help our cinema. So here's what Sundance has been doing and what Bombay Mantra has been doing is actually providing a platform for budding scriptwriters. And it's not something which happens like over a week. They actually work over months, years, and give them platform, give them guidance and opportunities so that actually they can come up with stories and stories which can be finally made into films. I think it's a great opportunity for budding scriptwriters.
Okay. Firstly, you are taking like few scriptwriters and grooming them.
No, I've not been. I've been actually just reading some of the scripts. Anshum has been doing a great job, and a lot of people from Sundance have been involved. But after this is my first time here, so it's been a fascinating morning, and at some stage, I would really like to be part of this.
Any more? Thank you, sir.
Question.
I think this initiative is long overdue. I think somebody is taking the writing part of screenplays and stories very seriously now because आजकल क्या हो रहा है कि there are two kinds of films that are being made in India. एक तो है जो स्टारकास्ट फिल्म नहीं होती. अगर स्टारकास्ट फिल्म जो होती हैं तो कोई स्टोरी तो पढ़ता नहीं है, वो स्टारकास्ट पे ही फाइनेंस करता है या रिलीज देता है.